guys, one of my favorite drinks at Starbucks is the iced green tea matcha latte. It is about $4 for a medium drink, which is pretty expensive in my opinion. So I'm going to try to make it at home to save some money for makeups, clothes, shoes, you name it. First, let's get a drink at Starbucks drive-thru. Hi, can I have a grande iced green tea latte, please? That's all for me. Alright, thank you. It's already 4 minutes, guys, and I just have my order in. Hello, I'm good. Alright. Thank you. You too. It's about 8 minutes for me to get a drink since I placed my order. It's actually a very good drink. It has the rich taste from the milk, a very strong, powerful taste of the matcha powder, and just the right level of sugar. It's a pretty good drink for summer, actually, once the weather is hot, and this is actually really refreshing for me. Okay, I think I can replicate this taste at home. Let's go.
Okay, we're ready for some goodness. You're gonna need a cup of milk, any type of milk. Starbucks use 2% milk. I like my latte super rich, so I'm just gonna use whole milk. 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. Please use the latte grade powder for the best taste. I use this brand specifically. A tablespoon of Torani vanilla syrup. You can use any brand, but Starbucks use this specific brand, Torani. And finally, a cup of ice. Now we're gonna warm up the milk first. The easiest way is to microwave it for a minute. After the milk is warmed up, now we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. 1 and 2 teaspoons. Give it a little bit stir. And we're gonna add the vanilla syrup, 1 tablespoon. Mix everything together using a fork or a spoon. If you're like an A+ student, you can use the milk frother. This is gonna create the foamy texture. Once everything is combined, add the ice. Give it the final stir. And ta-da! Here's our latte.
Okay, so let's try it. Pretty good. Let's see. Wow, I think my version is pretty good. I would say it is about 95 to 98% close to the real Starbucks latte. Best of all, I save a lot of money. It only cost me about $25 for the ingredients, which can make about 20 drinks or $1.25 per drink versus $4.25 at Starbucks. Guys, that is more than 3 times expensive. And it also took me 8 minutes to get my drink at the drive-thru. Only took me 4 minutes to make this whole thing at home. Definitely give it a try if you are a fan of the iced green tea latte. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support my channel. I hope you guys enjoy the drink and the rest of your day.